King Tut Inquiry, reading number 6, modified from PBS How Did King Tut Die? Modern civilization is obsessed with King Tutankhamun. He was the ancient Egyptian pharaoh who died young and was buried in a large tomb discovered in 1922. His tomb is in almost perfect condition and was not touched for thousands of years. Now, British scientists say they know how King Tut died, in a chariot accident. There are many ideas of how King Tut died. Lots of the ideas come from the broken bones found on his mummy. This new hypothesis isn't the first time experts have thought Tut died in a chariot accident, but it adds a new twist. Alex Knapp wrote an article for Forbes magazine and learned Dr. Chris Naunton and a team of scientists used X-ray and CT data of King Tut's body to perform a virtual autopsy of the body. That autopsy showed a lot of injuries on one side of Tut's body. Car crash investigators then used computer simulations similar to those used to study injuries and car crash accidents. The scientists think a chariot crash probably killed King Tut. Dr. Naunton doesn't think King Tut was in the chariot when it crashed. Instead, he says King Tut might have been kneeling on the ground when he was hit by a chariot, or maybe even crashed and fell off his chariot. The king might have been riding in a chariot during a hunt or a battle, activities that ancient Egyptian rulers did as part of their kingly duties. The damage to Tut's chest might also be explained by a kick from a horse. This makes sense since horses pulled the pharaoh's chariot. Another possible idea is that a hippo killed King Tut. Maybe he was in the wrong place at the wrong time, like hunting on foot when a hippo charged. Today, hippos are extinct in Egypt, but farther to the south in Africa, these aggressive 3,000-pound hippos with powerful jaws and sharp teeth are famous for their attacks. Victims get sharp cuts and crushed bones, which could be deadly. King Tut's mummy has been badly damaged since it was discovered nearly 100 years ago, and there are not many records of King Tut in history, so we might never know the truth about how King Tut really died.